how to remove clock icon that comes after sharing media on WhatsApp. Are you facing challenges while sending and receiving chat and sharing media on WhatsApp? Do you always see a clock icon after sharing files, which shows that your message isn't delivered? It might be because of internet connectivity issues, so firstly, check out your internet connection. But still, if your problem remains unsolved, then follow these steps. Firstly, restart your phone and ensure whether other apps are working or not. If other apps are working well, there must be something wrong with your WhatsApp. Try out these steps to solve your problem within a few seconds. Firstly, tap on the three-dotted menu. Now click on Settings and scroll down to Storage and Data. Tap on Storage and Data, and here you'll see Proxy. Click the icon. You'll be launched to set up a proxy, and here these two port options would appear: Chart Port Default and Media Port Default. Click on Media Port. A server list is available on your screen, and submit it in the media port. Now you'll see a tick in the right below of your screen. Tap it, and that's it.